Today we learn about factors. So what is a factor? Factors are whole numbers that can evenly divide another number. Let's take a number 8 and let's see how we can picturize 8. Can I divide 8 into equal groups? Yes, I can. So in this case, 2 is a factor. How can I write in the equation form? 8 divided by 2 is 4. No leftovers, remainder is 0. So 2 is a factor. In this case, 2 is a factor. Right? Let's keep on doing 8 with some other number. Can I see if I can divide into 3 each? No, I cannot. I cannot divide into 3 each. I cannot divide this evenly, right? I get 2 leftovers. So 3 is not a factor. In this case, 3 is not a factor. How can I write this in the equation form? 8 divided by 3. What is 8 divided by 3? 3 times 2 is 6, remainder 2. 2, remainder 2. 3 is not a factor. Let's keep on doing with 4. Can I divide into 4 each? Yippee! I can divide into 4 each. So 4 is a factor. How can I write in the equation form? 8. I have 8 candies. I divide into 4. I get 2, remainder 0, right? So in this case, 4 is a factor. Let's keep on doing and see for number 5, right? So, can I divide into 5 each? No, I cannot. I have 3 leftovers. So 8. So 5 is not a factor. 8 divided by 5. What is 8 divided by 5? Remainder 3. 1, remainder 3. 5 is definitely not a factor. How about 6? Let's take the number 6. Okay. So let's again represent 8. Can I divide into 6 each? No, I cannot. So 6 is not a factor. 8 divided by 6 is how much? Let's do it here. 8 divided by 6 is 1, remainder 2, 2 leftovers. 6 is definitely not a factor. How about 7? Can I divide into 7 each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I cannot. I have 1 left over. So 7 is not a factor. And let's take up a last number 8. We have to go all the way to 8. We started from 2. We went all the way to 8. Okay. Can I divide into 8? Yes, I can. So 8 is a factor. Right? Let me mark this in red so that we have all the factors of 8. So how can we write that? 8 Okay, divided by 8 is 1. Remainder 0. I made 1 each. Remainder 0. So, in this case, 2, 4, 8, they are factors. And remember, 1 is always a factor because we can always divide 8 by 1 each. Alright? So, 1. Let me take another color. Quickly grab another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can always give 1, 1, 1 each, right? So 1 will always be a factor. So in this case, 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 8 is a factor. 1, 2, 4, 8s are the factors of 8. Thank you for watching.